Hello everyone. This question has been taken from Olympiad Pathfinder. Multiple choice question number 33 from chapter 2. The question is: a small block is sliding on a frictionless inclined plane that is moving upward with a constant acceleration. So this is the inclined plane, this is the block. The question saying this one inclined plane is moving with a constant acceleration in the upward direction, and the surface and there is no friction between the block and the surface of the inclined plane. Now, if the block remains at a level height, what is the acceleration of the inclined plane? So this is the condition which is giving that the block A should be such, acceleration of the inclined plane should be such so that height of the block should not change throughout the motion. So acceleration due to gravity is to be taken as G. So there are four options and we have to find the correct options. So for the convenience, we have made the diagram showing A as the acceleration of inclined plane with respect to the ground. Means when you are observing from the ground, you are seeing that inclined plane is moving upward with an acceleration A. We have taken P as a unit vector along the slope in the downward direction of the inclined plane. Y-axis we have taken vertical, x-axis we have taken as horizontal. H we have taken as the h is the height from the horizontal of the block, so which has to be h throughout the motion. With theta is the angle which it inclined plane is making with the horizontal. You can go through the write up here. That's fine. Now we will make this FBD because we have to study the motion. So we will make the free body diagram of block and we will observe the motion of it with respect to a frame attached to the inclined plane. Okay. So this is the block. We know that if the inclined plane is moving with A and block is sitting on the inclined plane, so it will experience a G plus A acceleration in the downward direction, right? So this you know. With respect to inclined plane, what will be the motion of the block? Block will be sliding downward, right? There will be no motion in this perpendicular to the inclined plane. So only motion will be along this. So acceleration of block with respect to the inclined plane will be G plus A sine theta. This is clear from this diagram. Now we know the relative motion concept. If we are to write acceleration of block with respect to the inclined plane, then this is equal to the acceleration of block with respect to the ground minus acceleration of inclined plane with respect to the ground. I have explained it here. I have written it. ABI is what, AB is what, and AI is what. So from here, AB will be ABI plus AI. ABI is, that with respect to the inclined plane, the observer will be seeing it only going downwards in this direction. So that will be the acceleration. So G plus A sine theta, and the direction is along the P. P is this direction, right? And AI is in the positive direction of Y, so AJ. If we break this vector into two components, one in the horizontal and vertical component, so you will get this expression. The question condition is given that all the time the block height should be h. It means the acceleration of block with respect to ground in the vertical direction along the y-axis should be 0. So from equation 1, this should be 0. This is what we have written. Upon solving this equation, we will be getting A is equal to G tan theta square or tan square theta. So if you go back and see in the options, so you will find that option D is correct. So hopefully you understood this concept very clearly. In case any doubt, please do let me know through your comment in the comment box. I will reply on it. Thank you.